Hi, I'm Susan, and I finally finished my journal, and I'm going to do a flip through for you. I hope you're all having a good day. So without further ado, let's get started. I've got where I put my journal together. I added this lace and this rose ribbon trim to the spine. Made my little dangles. I made my dangles from the signature string. I used my roses and my Tim Holtz paper dolls, and I added this little bracket, and it has life because this is my life. I added these ribbon closures, and I have got my pocket with my tags. Got the inside where we made this cover. Beautiful paper. Added in this journaling card that I did with the finger painting challenge. I've got this little tuck spot with a card. And I've got this that I made with a finger painting challenge. And I've got this tag. And this one was done on glossy paper, on photo paper. And I love the way it looks. I know it's shiny, but I don't care. It just has it's beautiful. Not everything has to be distressed. Well, I have a pocket here. I forgot to put something in. I've got this little pocket with a tag and little stuff in. I've decorated that. My doily, some parchment paper that I coffee dyed, or I used coffee dye in my oven. I've got this little tag pocket, and this is from an envelope, and I made this. I put something in here. I haven't yet. Just tuck it right in there. Tuck it this way so you can see the butterfly. And I've got some stuff. I've got this little journaling card and this little journaling card. I've got this little pocket and this tag, and these little tags pull out too. This is from Gail Augustinelli, and this is the first center and charm that I did. I've got this little cluster spot using as a tuck, and the other part of my envelope I had this beautiful die cut. It was very intricate, and I thought it looked pretty on here. This is some of my paper I did with my jelly press. I've got this pocket with some tags that I embellished. Got this belly band in this little envelope. Got this tag and a little journaling card with this pocket. I've got this pocket, this tag, and this tag. These are so much fun to make. And I've got another one of those that I did on the photo paper. Thought was real pretty. And this one I put a tab on. Then I've got this little bookmark tag. Some more jelly print. I've got this tag I did, and this pocket I made, and another little journaling spot. added lace on different places. I've got this little flip book with journaling places. Tuck right into this. This one is another journaling spot, and I just used that little postage stamp, and I did add me a little butterfly. I stenciled some of my paper, and I'll write on that. Some more tags and pockets that I made. And there's the other part of that pocket, the envelope that I had before. It's a little tight fit, but that's fine. And then I embellished this side. I've got a little fabric flip, and I've got some little more tuck spots here for journaling cards. Some more tags and things to use. Got another little tuck spot with a card stuck in it. I love those flowers. And I've got this tag we made in a pocket. Oh, I forgot to show you. I have to show you this one that I made. And then my third and last signature, I've got this little tag and this tag in the pocket. Another pocket with a tag in it. Some more of my jelly print. Another tag and a cluster tuck spot. These were the clusters I made blindfolded. I've got this pocket and tag and a little journaling card. And I just backed these with some packing paper from that I got at Christmas that was stuffed in there. I've got this little envelope, and it's got a pocket with a tag, and it's embellished. And I added another tag, made a pocket, and then I got this stuffed in there. Some more of my stenciling, and I've added that pocket and this tag. I love this one, that's so pretty. And this is the other part of the envelope, and it came unglued. I didn't even realize it until I was going through, but I thought it made the perfect little journaling spot, so I just kind of gave it a little bit of the distress ink in that pink velvet, Victorian pink, or that Tim Holtz distress ink. I'm terrible with names, please forgive me. But and here's my little dangle with my kitty cat. Here's my other pocket. I embellished that and put some things in there. Got this pocket and tag. And I've got this pocket and tag. And last but not least, I've got this journaling card. This was so much fun to do, and I finally got me a journal for year round. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to hit that with the glue. I've got me a journal to work in this year. And I'm anxious to start. There's a couple of more journals I have in mind that I'd like to do. I'd like to do a spring journal. I'd like to do a blue journal. And we're getting ready to fix up a house, and I would like to do a journal that's dedicated to the before and after and the process. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you hadn't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I hope you like my journal. I really love it. And until next time, bye y'all.